Hello HMS, this is Mr. Barrett. I hope you and your family are doing great. I miss you guys terribly and can't wait to see you again in those hallways. I just wanted to bring you a brief message, kind of an exciting message. I wanted to bring us back a little bit to an awesome memory, the American Heart Association jump rope for hearts that was done by Mrs. Clasby and Mr. Arena this year. Part of that this year was a fantastic prize if the winning amount of money was raised, and it was, and that prize was to shave my head. Now, I am a man of my word, and I would never lie to you, HMS. But first, before I do the unveil, I'd like to thank Press Juice Bar for donating smoothies to Mrs. Hurley's classroom, who was the 6th grade classroom that won the competition. Shannon Bruno and John Bruno, a family that's local in town, and a huge shout out to them, and thank you so much, Press Juice Bar, for making that so much fun for the kids. So without further ado, I'd like for me to say thank you so much for everyone who participated, and HMS, I hope you get a good kick out of this one. There you go. Right down to as low as you possibly can go. That is a 0. So well done, couldn't be prouder, and I can't wait to see you back in the halls. All right, love you, HMS.